Time now for a full check of our forecast, and let's move on over to Juan, who has more on how today is shaping up as we head into the weekend. It is Friday.
It is Friday, and it's going to be a pretty nice one here. Unfortunately, it's going to stay mainly dry, and of course, the hot temperatures are going to be there. But the Gulf of Mexico is churning up with Tropical Storm Grace that has emerged into the southern half of the Gulf of Mexico. Of course, the direct effects are going to stay far removed from us here, but it is going to increase swells, increase rip current risk as well. And just use caution out there, folks. I know a lot of folks are going to head out to the beach, and you really want to be careful. We have that high rip current risk danger, and this morning we're also dealing with some minor coastal flooding. That advisory is set to expire at 10 o'clock, and that's water reaching up to the dunes possibly and also to the access road. So if you're going to be out there, do use caution. Don't want to get stuck this morning. We are at 77 degrees right now. We have calm conditions, but yesterday it was another scorcher out there, and really we cooled off just a tad from the afternoon high that I'll show you here in a second. Again, we're at 85 degrees over at the Naval Air Station. It feels like 97 there, feeling like 95 off in Rockport with the temperature in the middle 80s and 75 over off in the Alice area. But here's a almanac for yesterday as we topped off at 97 degrees. That's 2 degrees above seasonal average, and the third day in a row that we've gone above normal, where most of the month of August was set with below normal temperatures as we had middle to lower 90s to start off the month, and now we're just in a string of very hot and above normal days for us here in the coastal bend. So as we take a look at the hour-by-hour forecast, another round of sunshine expected, hazy sunshine. We have a little bit of some Saharan dust that has moved into the region, as noticed by 11 o'clock. We're at 91 there. Back to the middle 90s we go, and once again that southeasterly component to the wind is going to be there at about 15 to 25 miles an hour. So we'll look to top about 97 here, once again pushing the triple digits for the inland areas and those heat indices, folks. Here you have it once again. 105 to 115 is going to be prominent over much of the coastal bend, and of course that's going to continue as we head on into Saturday, Sunday as well. So drink plenty of water, wear light colored clothing, and watch for that heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Of course, that's a real danger as well out there, and always be mindful of your outdoor pets. Make sure they have some water too. Doppler radar is pretty quiet this morning. The wind forecast shows another windy day, but the wind will slowly begin to relax as we head into Saturday and Sunday. But over the weekend, it's still going to be fairly breezy out there. And again, we have that high rip current risk. The bays will be slightly choppy. Seas 5 to 9 feet. Small craft caution is still going to be advised. For today, Saturday, and Sunday, use caution out there, folks. I can't mention it enough. ChrisTV.com/beach conditions. Always want to know about the beach flag system. It is likely that red flags will be flying. You want to stay shallow because of the strong wind and the current and the large surf that's going to be out there. If you are not an experienced swimmer, you really want to stay in at least waist deep water or stay near a lifeguard, because it is a real danger out there, and it could be life-threatening as well. There is Tropical Storm Grace again in the Gulf of Mexico. Sustained winds at 70 miles an hour and still forecast to make its way as a Category 1 hurricane out near Veracruz, Mexico, as we head into the early part of the weekend. So 97 today, only a couple of stray showers out there. Saharan dust will make its way back early next week. It'll be hazy, hot, and humid with a few isolated to scattered showers Wednesday and Thursday of next week. Paulo.